Do you want to read English easily and confidently? It all begins with sounds. Today, in lesson 1 of our phonics series, we will learn how English letters make sounds and how phonics helps you read. Let's start together. Hello everyone, welcome to our Learn English channel. In this video, we are going to see the topic phonics. What is phonics? Phonics is the method of learning to read by connecting sounds with letters or group of letters. In English, each letter represents a sound, and when you learn these sounds, you can read almost any word. In this video, we will learn what sound each letter makes, how to pronounce the sound clearly, what words start with that sound. We are not learning letter names today, only the letter sounds, the building blocks of reading. Let's begin with the sounds. I will say the sound, the letter, and an example word. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. A. A makes the sound A as in apple. Repeat A, apple. This is a short vowel sound. B. B makes the sound B as in bat. Repeat B, bat. Gently press your lips and release a puff of air. C. C usually makes the sound K as in cat. Repeat K, cat. It sounds like the letter K. D. D makes the sound D as in dog. Repeat D, dog. Tongue touches the roof of your mouth. E. E makes the sound as in egg. Repeat egg. This is a short vowel sound, mouth open slightly. F. F makes the sound F as in fan. Repeat F, fan. Place top teeth on bottom lip. Let the air flow. G. G makes the sound G as in goat. Repeat G, goat. A hard, deep sound from your throat. H. H makes the sound H as in hat. Repeat H, hat. It's just breathe like blowing on a mirror. I. I makes the sound E as in ink. Repeat E, ink. Short vowel, mouth slightly open. J. J makes the sound J as in jam. Repeat J, jam. Like saying J. K. K makes the sound K as in kite. Repeat K, kite. Same as K in cat. It's a voiceless sound. L. L makes the sound L as in leg. Repeat L, leg. Tongue touches top teeth gently. M. M makes the sound M as in man. Repeat M, man. Close your lips and hum. N. N makes the sound N as in net. Repeat N, net. No sound, mouth open slightly. O. O makes the sound O as in ox. Repeat O, ox. Short vowel sound, round lips. P. P makes the sound P as in pen. Repeat P, pen. Lips closed, quick air puff. Q. Q makes the sound Q as in queen. Repeat Q, queen. It works with U to make a K plus W sound. R. R makes the sound R as in rat. Repeat R, rat. Curve your tongue back, not touching. S. S make the sound S as in sun. Repeat S, sun. Like a soft snake sound. T. T makes the sound T as in top. Repeat T, top. Tongue touches behind top teeth. U. U makes the sound A as in cup. Repeat A, cup, short vowel, mouth relaxed. V. V makes the sound V as in van. Repeat V, van. Same as F but use your voice too. W. W makes the sound V as in wet. Repeat V, wet. Lips round like blowing a kiss. X. X makes the sound S like in fox. Repeat S, fox. Two sounds together K plus S. Y. Y makes the sound Y as in yes. Repeat Y, yes. Say it fast and smooth. Z. Z makes the sound Z as in zoo. Repeat Z, zoo, like a buzzing bee. Well done, you have now learned all 26 basic phonics sounds. These are the first sounds you need to read English words. Remember, phonics is not about remembering ABC, it's about connecting sounds to letters. In the next lesson, we will use these sounds to read real words using a method called blending. So, practice these sounds every day, say them clearly, hear them often. You are on your way to reading English fluently. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for lesson 2. Bye.